Hello friends, I am Pankaj Agrawal from T4U Technologies Private Limited. You can catch us at TechnologyAhead.com. Today we'll be talking about writing C code for AVR microcontrollers using CodeVisionAVR. So first we'll learn how to download and install the software CodeVisionAVR, then configuring the CodeVisionAVR to use it. And then we'll be talking about a very special feature of CodeVisionAVR called CodeWizard, which generates the code for you, and then writing the code, adding your own code to the code generated from CodeWizard and compiling it. So let's move ahead with downloading and installing the software. So for downloading the software, you can go to our website, technologyahead.com. Oh, technologyahead.com. And in the download section, you have a link for CodeVision AVR evaluation version. It is a 3 KB limited version. The link goes to hpinfotech.ro, the provider of this software, manufacturing providers of this software. So when you click this, you'll directly get the software. So now download is completed. We'll install the software. Extract it. So there is a setup. So we'll now install this software. Setup is pretty simple. I'll take the defaults. You can select your own folders. Yes, there we go. Setup is done. We can select to launch it, or you can go to Start menu, All Programs, and to CodeVision AVR, CodeVision AVR C compiler evaluation. From here you can launch the software. So there are a lot of windows open here. We'll close some of these which are not required right now. Code information is not required. Function call tree is not required right now. Templates are not required. This one. So before making any project, we first need the code. For that there is a software called CodeWizard. This will generate the code for you, basic code for you. If you have a debugger, you can configure it here. If you want to program right from the software and you have a compatible programmer, you can use this chip programmer. There is terminal in it, so for any RS-232 communication you can use the terminal right from the software. And there is a configure. So let's go to this. Now this is for adding some other softwares. If you want to add some particular software on this list, you can add it from here. Now suppose I want to use PonyProg right from here. I can add it here, and it comes into the tools. So PonyProg becomes one more tool. If I click this, PonyProg will open directly from here. You don't have to go to the menu. Now in the settings, main settings, under terminal settings, if you are using RS-232 communication, you can select what port you are using, what port rate you are using, and all the details. So after this, if you select terminal, you get this terminal window where you can connect and you can do the data communication. Now let's start with CodeWizard AVR, then we'll go for the other remaining settings that we want to do. So CodeWizard AVR, now it says that there is selection for different types of chips: 80, 90, 80 tiny, 80 mega, and FPS LIC. And for 80x mega, this is a new series of microcontrollers, amazing controllers from. So we'll select 80 tiny 2313. I'll show you the board. This is the Eureka board that we are using right now. It contains a 80 tiny 2313 connected through the SPI port to the programmer's SMagic, and this does the programming. So we'll use Ponyprog for dumping the program hex code to the Eureka board, and we'll program according to 80 tiny 2313. So for that, we'll select this